Iyeme ile doname. Iyeme no popo. No go down. Nebo no tu. No big. Then we can. Yeah. Usa bon amour. Uese non amour jamais. Usa bon amour. Usa nagar. Usa negaro. Ije benije. Eno ya ni yo bona. Iya ibe donam. Iyo ni ro wa kiniris. Iya ibe donam. Eno ya ni wa megogo. Iya ibe donam. Eno ya ni sinaina. Iya ibe donam. Orphanage. Iya ibe donam. Charity home. Iya ibe donam. Widows. Iya ibe donam. Iboya ni me odo kinere. Iya ibe donam. Single mothers. Iya ibe donam. Oponi ye yoba. Ibe donam. Wesa mo kamenu. Nuna mudiame. Uive. Iya ipase yo. Egi. Bebonu kaya se. Egi. Bebonu wa ukaya se nuwae. Ọlọ́ náà sí lọ́nà sódẹ̀ wẹ̀yẹ gbé. Ọlọ́ náà sẹ́wọ̀n náà wípé pé ọ̀rí sódẹ̀ wẹ̀yẹ gbé. Ọlọ́ náà sí ẹ̀ ẹ̀gbọ̀n àwùsọ ènìyàn yẹn lẹ́gbàá wò wárí. Ọlọ́ náà sí ẹ̀ lẹ́gbàá wò wárí. Yẹn yẹ tó ta gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́. Yoga.
Let's talk about what is happening right now. Let's talk about a lot. Happy weekend, guys. Long time. I don't shoot. Yes. Let's talk about Iyore and Ewi. Iyore and Ewi. Go for the chopper small. But matter full gram, yakata. Matter full gram, matter the smell. Shame and disgrace this smell. Watch the video now. I'm gonna share the video. Well, I'm going to see another topic.
Obrigado.
all we get a young. Gameji, brothers, majesty to. Oh my God, you okay? Where the water? I'm your crackling. Where I'm going to rain. Oh, well, I'm happiness. Yeah, where you're. Yeah, where your brother. Yeah, where your sister. Okay, I'm going to boy you. The boy is not. I'm going to mama. I bet you go sit down. I bet. This is not bad. Isara, waya. Osenye, Isara, waya. Brother, also, I know let go in. Isara, yeah. I was in a beginner. Isara, yeah. Isara, the and what we can. What Baya must power. Oh, Isara. Share this video, guys. Brother, all right, but people, I greet you all. We better start water already. I'm going to end this music here. I don't want to play more music. So go straight to the reason why I am here this evening. I'm not going to spend much time. Guys, share the video. Let's hit it one after the other. Now, you see, because I'm mostly watch all these bass boosts, you understand? So, but all those bloggers, they still share on. I go listen to some. But this time around, I'm not mostly listen to it because I got better things with past all this nyama talk. You understand? You see, Iyore and Enogie. You guys are seeing the handwriting on the wall already. You know, not wrong my side, you know, you can't change it. It is what is already, you are already born with. You are born with the spirit of betrayal. No matter how you pretend, you must be who you are. That's one thing you guys understand. Secondly, Iyore not be small picking again. I believe. At least woman we don't there abroad. We don't deal with man. If I may say, I believe say she deal with man. Because me will not even understand the Iyore. You understand? So if she deal with man, at least not be today she enter abroad. She's supposed to be more wiser than this now. You understand? You see, if I do my broadcast, I'm going to think saying I hatred. I hate Enogie. Not be hatred. I just they talk on the way the thing be. That's why my saga they pay for body. Because I don't fear to talk fuck nyash. I don't bend mats they talk. They talk and the way the thing be. I don't pity person, they talk to person. You understand? You see, Iyore, I told Iyore a few months ago about Rita Ayemiomo. Many of you they watched the video here. When I tell Iyore, say Iyore, be careful of Rita. This is a new friendship. Where you and Rita how they choose so. This social media what we do so no permanent friend, no permanent enemy. That is for me. That's why I don't take anybody as my friend. I'm not taking them as my enemy. If they need support, I will feel do and go do one for them. They be my sister. All of us now Bini. If I know go feel do and go say I know they do one, they know go keep me put. Not be academic come abroad. That is me for you. Until more of this presenter will get this mentality of being yourself. You see all this gather support, gather beat, I stand for this one, I stand for this one. You go to bring shame and disgrace they give now. Me, I go to sit down here, they analyze and they mokuna. You understand? The same thing goes to Enogie and Iyore. Mommy Iyore, Enogie automatically turn Iyore to Mommy Iyore when Enogie start to beat Monica. When Enogie they support Monica, Iyore not be Enogie friend though. Hypocrisy is a disease. Most of this our president are hypocrisy that they worry many of them. They don't really know what they want. About this social media, what would they so? If you want saga you, I go decide to saga you on my own. I know because this one is join me the saga you, I'll go endorse who know who wants to be endorsed, or who know who reach for me to endorse. You understand? In all ratification of life, who know who reach my class. You understand? And the Sharon say, which is they know their wife, they insult Iyore today. Then they blast Iyore now. Now Iyore bring her come herself. She deserve it. Yes. There are some issue that comes on why is it go can go on. Omo na me nwan egbe if you no really me or you wan mo. Wa go and they go dey feel say you want. They go dey feel say you want. May they join you, they support, or they keep enemy with that person. That's one mentality when they come to their brain. You understand? When you see what you not good, talk on. Not support anybody. You not be friend to anybody. You not be friend to you not be enemy to anybody. If you want to do what you wrong, kill me, no problem. If I want your to come out, to kill you, I will still kill you. Basta. I not say because Enogie and Iyore they fight now. I can't join Iyore they beat Enogie. Or I can't join Enogie they beat Iyore. It not make sense. On a more reasonable way, what the issue be? Who give person ₦1 in terms of need? That person now big help they do for person. Who feel appreciate ₦1, go appreciate 100 naira. Iyore give Enogie money, say, take rent house for your mama, 500 euros. Enogie no use and rent house for your mama. You understand? It shows say Iyore support Enogie, make it a beat his sister we carry and come abroad. But don't understand though. Iyore don't support Enogie and they do it secretly, make it not come out on social media. Now Enogie can still use him and talk. Iyore be doing make it not come out because Iyore is supposed to know say waiting do not wrong thing. Why you don't want to make them know say you support them? Because Monica raised 2.9 million, give Enogie. Now social media here. You want support them now when they pursue mama for outside. You do it secretly. Who the help must talk. I'm not blaming Enogie, so Enogie talk and come out. But who talk and come out? Now Enogie. Now he talk and come out. Money with the dash person, you don't feel to make a refund them again. Enogie no go feel refund that money. And normally, that money don't divorce me. Have it in mind before you dey help person. First look the person history first. People like Una, now they spoil Enogie. Who Enogie don't feel stand as a man to hustle to better in life and the family. Una go this one they do help for her. Una they condemn that boy life. Like they now build me a busy. Una they condemn that boy life. That's the reason why they sing and say they brag. I get fan base, I get fan base, I get fan base, I get fan base. Who be the fan base? Now people like them Iyore. Who yan we yo bonne? Or no re we bo we nu weji. Do yan bo yo bono mo. O me yo bona wu no ma. O me so ro no gele need your body that really need that help. You go help am. it is totally bad. Enogie, owi otinje no mu la webu no zak no man. Enogie set the ogbe media. Iyan bi yena kugbe agbo ni le media. Yena gbe no wen si. Yena gagi yen no gya no kokiyan. Wana wetu wa ifan ba joge wana ha you body no gi bai. Wana ha po boyo wana ha fu yi. Wana ha rigo ne. Ona ya no kaka po ha net no ya ha gbo tin ye. No ya ha gbo wa. Binu wana me wa gbo wa. Wa jiro ku wa mi me ku nu wa unede. Wa ajiri na wa e baba na. Bene no gi egbolu wa yo. No, me ma so, me ma ho le no gi egbo wa o. You understand? Because why? If I call her no matter about what you do you expect or tin no gidi? Why am I probably little given no little no wa? Yes. Why am I probably no gi? We no gi but ye no more like we bo. We no gamana gili in the tap put to the somewhere because you don't give matter what. Did you expect I want to be happy with people? No. Why am I no give? I will ye for water. Why are some wasi or go down on yon? What we say? Men on our marriage is social media. One day presenter is social media. What have men away me pure water no more in no water? Why we come men on me we marriage you know you support you well. You know why we fancy men in my we call it I can't worry. But we say who are called friendship. A friendship word then am I here otiku ne am I latiku. Am I latiku ne? Eni here na ari budinuwa. At your age by now. Okeken wa na ngubuwa. You are not an enemy of Enogie and you are not also a friend to Enogie. Even though we go matter mo wese or Enogie. Your happiness, your joy more important than Enogie. Because Enogie am yesi Obama yasi no. A problem Enogie dey you media. Oh boy yasi ye. I'm more kobo Enogie wa. Enogie ya boss le ransi le ri. E boss yo ko gegbe wa. E boss yo ko gegbe wa. Maintenant ata regeni. Ama akaba on ale le ku. Ama akaba on ale le so se. Ama akaba on ale le ku. Gabo se no wa le ze media no wa ge. Ba yo ya ya. Ita wa ya ro yegbe. So come soon ye the word of you are. Oswald, my monkey. Uzo goes in your eye and you do monkey. And you monkey you do you do. My eye. Why bua? If I can now walking. Social media now, no so one have any year one. And you know where but that's what you will know. The man on the camera, you will not know anything about me unless you are in my house. And then I don't worry like you any more like you. Or not you were more like you. Or say as a social media, I won't come up with all. I don't know my soap, no massive, and nothing you. Who do Enogie? Nor Iyore, Kinyeke. A man's worker wife, no marry you. That's a man's worker wife. A real wife. Somebody that helped your husband and your husband's mother, your mother-in-law. When you basha was in Europe, after your years of prostitution, Denmark, Norway, Bangladesh, Portugal, all the countries, international, you could not raise just 2 million naira or 500,000 naira to rent an apartment for your mother-in-law. And you folks still come out on media to be insulting people that have done it for you guys. Also, I would say you could come out to sit down and the stammerer like shit which will not come up on yash. Ordinary to use 1 million naira to rent a flat for your mother-in-law. Instead, now go pap your mother-in-law turn to a slave in an in-law's house. Now go see come media they talk. They insult who don't help now. You sit down comfortably insulting Monica of raising 2.9 million for now. Today now, you sit down comfortably, insulting Iyore of giving you guys 500 euros. Change 500 euros for Nigerian money, you know how much it be now. I'm asking this question, I'll continue to ask this question. Can you single-handedly dash person 500 euros? Why did you dash on 500 euros? That you can be comfortably sitting down. Why see? All these things always pop up every time. It is bad. The man what he buy, the man in Mowa. That's the thing I don't understand. Man in Mowa, man what he buy, the man saga with what figure to a saga. I don't even get it. When this is wrong, this is wrong. The other day, a biakana wrote me, don't wrote me, and I went away your body biakani. You and your husband came out categorically to criticize this, and what you can learn how you bonua. One irrevoable and you boy, it will be one irrevoable. So I went out when you know what would done you. The you guys will see comments. If I need your body one day, why did it be on your say? I don't know my yes, no man getting on USA. Organization on the depot. If we move, we don't want to like a video. We do our part of nonsense. We know what I'm going one inside one. Why see him up we are renovating one apartment with 2 flats. Then we Basha will say the 2 flats will automatically standard 2 flats. Standard 2 flats might be standard 2 flats. Automatically be standard 2 flats. After all your years of prostitution abroad. Now I'm talking baby boy away. You wait your door. And you will still stood so low, come out to our tie law. A luxury marriage, will argue him. When I go better my size. Uma make work with Yariku. Where we have a lot get. You know, you where I go. I watched that woman video today. I was like, has this thing gotten to this stage? Has it gotten to this stage? The funniest part is that I'm going to go wow I say. I come and I got the say, hello. When I go take guesses, they don't want why. And they ask, they don't want to total wow and wow. Okay, where's the movie? At least for once. I feel what will happen. But I feel what will hear. Wow, I say. It's very important. You don't get anybody without the support. You already get her own for body. With whatever insult you already collect today now, she deserves it. She caused it to herself. Because this is not the first time they do all these things to people who help them. So Iyore should not be should be expecting this all this while when she help Enogie. She should be expecting insult in return as appreciation to her. She should be expecting it. It should not be muted to her. So all that would be. All that would be. That is their character. God do come. No matter who you are. God do my baby. Now, when you understand, a guizi bakba no viezinho kwenye enyi na yubi aweke na enigi eni lari ewino no mama nwa ayuru ho Edimofi emi no ma Enogie Enogie practice imawa Edimofi that we marriage for Edimofi we a birthday Iyore majo Edimofi be ya gbe Iyore be live video kinye Enogie na bia no They are there by pit toilet. Yak Iyore like this, you do Yak Iyore. They put on red and red, come beat Iyore that year. If you not forget, make I remember one. Now, Enogie luxury marriage don't finish. People will not come go collect with to or be restaurant. Mama na mama collect you very soon. Mama na mama no say you go bloody. Now I make mama quickly come out, can do a proper apology to Ewe and the wife so that peace could day. So if you get ready for your woto where you don't take marriage after you don't promise. You say you don't buy cloth before. Oh, I told una fake life on this social media not to the big. You the woman will do marriage you. Una expect the look yet to all the road my sister. Today, why do my kai ya ya tia bono jolly joy because you know you did want to be Baba, una will not go marriage. Una you respect yourself. If una see any post concerning Enogie, not pull matter, not talk or else they'll not beat you. If you concern Monica, not pull matter or they'll come beat you. They go by say, now Monica matter you the support. Now they beat you now because of the marriage when you don't go. Now they want beat you so. Now they will be that one. Now they will. You know be small pikin. We small boy with the control. We never bath. Boy will be say the full community donate money for me to do marriage. Or road will go. Marriage in me, my work luxury marriage. Even if you luxury marriage, yaw. When the man I luxury, my man luxury, I will luxury marriage. I want me. When no boss say I'm do it. You ma only do ya kawe again we do ababu ya die. When you not see it. Again, ya tell again we want to why for all of us raise money for you to go marry. Until you get wife. Marry me boy I beg when I get wife. We go your own. You pay bride price. When you not see it because the man not be a man not we go. You can marriage. Aseno we nyake hawe. Ha wo menwa yo hu yo wa nya ya yo hu. O ma bi no menwa ya wo ge. O ma bi no menwa ya de. Very yo we are de zaburu kere. Master. Do things that please you. Things that you will not regret. Oh, I don't marry for now. Even like what we should be done. When you all know, if you do here, you live video none. You are having no give us out the same. We all know, see you and Enogie yourself. Una not love on ourselves. Una the fool on ourselves. Not be beneath one of the fool. You marry just because of say una already pay money for all. The money cannot be refunded. The money cannot be refunded. Why do I form me? I love my wife. I love this one. Love my wife. My brother, you need to praise our live video and it's surprise her house. Is that love? Like I love my wife in live video. Your wife is depressing though. All you know, if we mourn, lucky ball. We have a well, I don't have bear. You want to why I will bear you 2 minutes. You go. A dead bee. No, be no a dead bee. Why, boy? Enogie lady was young with Debbie. When he didn't know go bow more, second or kick with one. You all know you will follow yourself for benefits. And you saw why I remedy my line. What ya was the how you? We even why do saga? A story what I did already. Now just for that to break up, put out whatever they play up, people listen. You want me? They will keep on renewing your nonsense. Each time you feel say wow saga What was a guy? A stupidity where I knew every time you are there. Your dirty lifestyle on social media. June 7, if I'm well, we don't play well. When I have your body be moved, I don't play well. I go to move picture you like a picture you always want to fly. On mousse jamousson, a monument pedigree. Nothing about you, no one kind. Go and read my history. You need to know what more carry ladia. You need to know what more carry ladia. Go and read my own history on this social media. And let's read your own history. Including your mother, including your father, including your marriage. And the so-called boy you can marry you are. You don't get the difference between me and you immediately. You go on the ban of my ever. I want bet you the man is make it or agrikba. Or magu where would time agrikba. Every naka sagbody I was open. The same like getting a way. You don't get sense. Any here immediately. Analyze what go on. Not be everything. There are some things that will come and go hour. It means something was there. None of them not saying at the same. But at the time it was too calm. I'm a calm. Every year go on. You know why we talk about I will. Me wanna know me. Yeah, we are not matter and we are fabric work. But I see there are things that doesn't really mean, doesn't really water. It doesn't water. Okay, who that was a guy Monica or Bola, what do I tell you don't better for many years? You know, I've been a name why you caught Iyore, why you police station. What's my business? You are a native doctor. Go and lay calls on it. Stop all this nyama. And beside that, that way bono mama was here. Monica Kenya, that way bono mama was here. Debono was here. No, I can't see a bomb me na jema live bu. E di mo fi no wa ye we mi. No like the live video tieboni biedu. Tieboni finu biegua. Or yes, I said gua. CBCU. Ona ye deny na me verbal. E di mo fi yira no de na. But when I go to respect myself, see, you guys should not believe all this that you what they could swear so. Now it's saga. One day be all those that's what I see about me. If I don't say this thing, I do, you know, kill the put. Or God, no, don't they come and house, come beat the put now, brother day. Bro, if I say I'm not doing, I feel like believe. Feel like not believe that you know, not concern you. My family, Ikbane. Okay, Iyego. Abia you were North America. We led the talk show. We did by Becky. So that man they forget something you remember now. Here can be yellow ye care. Iyego, they say me go sleep with my go. They let the talk show come out to Zubu. He talk and finish. He say, yeah, he get evidence, he get proof. Say more. Go lash my go. I call look there, I call laugh. Would one? Abia you are. Because Abia you are see the relationship between me and my ego. He wants to separate me and my ego. Me for the get that from because anytime me and she they quarrel, and my ego she they call. You understand? So she want to separate that relationship between me and my ego so that I will focus on her. He decided to lay that allegation on me using the Queen Talk Show. Using the Queen Talk Show. Okay. Many of us say I go bring Ojuju come. If you not really do, I go bring Ojuju come. When I go bring Ojuju come go give her. The Queen Talk Show. The same woman say, Frank, you when they give Ojuju, you know they go the answer. Now you go they bring me the answer. What when I know what I'm gonna know what you do? The man believe you Ojuju. Will you guys insisted where they are including the Bible? You said where they go. I went to embassy to go and see Bible. As speaking and Papa will sit down and talk. The next day, Bible made a statement where if I don't see my hands are clean, may I go bring Ojuju come. I say good. If that's what will make you guys happy, I go bring Ojuju come. The person will say he get evidence so. Oh yeah, carry the evidence go Ojuju place. You say no, they answer juju. Till today, you don't answer juju. Then some of you want to talk will be commenters now say, Frank, you will not the answer juju. You go the bring a juju paper. Come the give person. If I don't bring, they will say why you don't go bring a juju paper. You know, so you not do one. Just like this Monica now, and they use my own, they compare Monica now. Now Monica own case come. Obo accused person. When I sit down, I'm gonna listen. Obo come out accused Monica and her husband. They accused Monica. Obo saying a native doctor. When I see where Benin, they try to destroy Benin tradition. You see all those ones they call themselves native doctor. Now the devil will scatter our custom and tradition. Native doctor who knows the tradition of our lands could stood solo, come out on live video, accuse the married woman, say the married woman they use breast, they look for her, suck in her breast. Now, you know what's in pay me for inside? Now the husband of Monica, now I blame. I not blame Obo. Yes, I not blame Obo. Because you know why? Obo don't live with Monica for her house and the husband. So, friendship did there. Their relationship, say, there be neighbors or friends or family. Don't refer did there. They know themselves. Monica know Obo, Obo know Monica. Ambrose know Obo, Obo know Ambrose. They know each other family. This thing not be waiting they will do for social media. On a clear matter. If na me be Ambrose Ajala, if na me, it's just like when they talk about Jade Boy DNA that time. If na me be Ambrose, you know concern social media. Na family matter na what they talk about house. You understand? Now when they talk about you need to cleanse Monica because you know why Monica be. Ana believe me way Monica be little word door. Ana believe me Monica be little word door. According to custom and tradition, because if you see what Ambrose is money come on now, money could hear yourself. Ambrose never be like our Benin. In now never they follow tradition. Then Ambrose, you know, one of the I walk everyone. You know, we talk. The kind of man where Ambrose be now talk. You understand? The way the man did, the way the man do nothing. For my observation, you know, we talk. But if to some men, a baby tell you that how juju people way are Obo bring, I must answer them. If na me be the man, wallahi salam alaikum, not be wife go answer that juju. Na me the man, na I go answer them. And the answer them, I decided my own straight down. Where I be we not give my be, I will move make be. If you now we move can what tie. What do Zoe? Understand? But because of say, our both know the kind of person where Ambrose be, know the kind of person where Ambrose be, so he can say any wrong, any nonsense. I don't know whether that's well. I hear say Monica bring one juju, you bring two juju. Now what I hear? I have to go in page. I have to go on our page. When I reach Monica page, I go see one juju they post. They show the native daughter. They show one house like that. They show a book picture. The liquor Monica. That's the end of the video. I don't see whether they swear. If na me Monica, if I really sleep with a book or this one, I don't see anything like that. I don't know if you play on for now, but if those things, like me, I don't believe on all those things. That's why I not get interest. You might believe you're not getting interest. One thing where Obo of people know, Obo, bros, these things where they talk so, you don't first talk many years ago. You don't first narrate this story many years ago. So you bringing it now, Baba, I don't know the reason why. I don't know what in the fame what you look for now. Because our fame you look for. And the truth, Because if you not call Monica name, about you not deceive you. I wanna show. Bro, not be lie. Go check the video where you talk so you sleep with Monica. Go check them. Go check the view with it. Check the way you do. Check the way you saga mama okay-ish. You saga okay-ish. Go check the video with saga okay-ish. Check the way you saga Monica. You go know say na fame you dey look for. You understand? So, Obo, I just gotta beg you. You supposed to respect yourself. Because you get wife with the libon. You know, see social media, the amount of capacity be. If they call they drag your wife with the libon come out on social media, come the saga, it don't go good. You don't big past that one. Due to your personality. You understand? You see Enogie. If you watch Enogie, he dey share your video now because he sees you suck Monica. You understand? He has never shared your video before, including me, and I don't share your video. That's me for you. I don't like you. It's truth. You don't become a person I like. Everybody they get what they like. And my own, I hear they talk. And not miss me and call they insult you. Let's say I'm like no. But what you do if you're not good, I go to come and come tell you. Say, bros, this thing you do so not clear. Because you get wife for house. If somebody they accuse your wife of public like this, I believe that you get tradition when you follow. You would not go like with the person. Especially when you know the person Richards. And you and the person don't stay together before. I know so you go take the next level. You go take it to the next level. So what you do so? If you because you know say maybe that guy gentle, Ambrose na gentleman, and you know they talk. Now make you do this thing. Baba forget that thing no. Come on, day. Come on, it deal. If your own will come last, you not go believe her. You understand? So make it look something they do sometimes. With your work what you do for Nigeria. Bros, make it look something they do. See this beneath our space where you did, so you're saying if I know as it be, they will drag you, drag your man, drag your wife, drag your wife family. Even the new children when you live, so they go still drag the comments. Now this Facebook put this so. So my brothers, God don't bless you, don't give you wife, give you children. You go relax yourself, stop all this one when they do so. The call person, so you feel leaky there and say, do this one. You don't pass, those one don't pass. Those one don't pass. Bros, try me reason and me remove a hand for that. Those saga because the saga don't make sense. I must say the truth, it don't make sense. You get what you person the big pass. You understand? And for Monica, all we wait to agree Monica. We don't want if you carry person matter, could be like say you want the hot gala. If you reach your turn, you go want everybody dance to your turn. Hello? I greet you. You really like video? What? Yeah, I really like video, Yeah. Okay. Okay, later, yeah, true then. Alright, yeah. So, while I'm go, you reason like generator. If you reach your turn, body go prepare you. If you reach your own turn, body go prepare you. Body go prepare you. You understand? You see one thing for this social media, Monica. Nobody they fear you. You know people just they avoid you. Nobody say they fear you, then they avoid you. You understand? I feel advice you the other time. If you know, say you not do something, you not do one, not swear for anybody, you not get anybody when you want to prove anything to. Do your saga enter ass straight down. Saga me, I saga you. That's what they do for media. Many of them are saga. Truth not the day. You understand? You give me, I give you basketballs. I give you basketballs. That's what they do. While we talk it over here, we go. You understand? And not big pass for those one. What you not bully for? Iyore, I greet you. What this one we call this Monica they do saga. You don't deserve one, you don't want them, you don't big pass that level. You know, say Monica, the only source of income, na person work, na person matter, na be your only source of income. You now, my go, you dey work for Germany. Monica not dey work, apart from Facebook, wait for they doing, wait for they get and clear. Now here all of us for they get and clear. If Monica they talk about your matter, when your matter come, I know say Monica put man to talk. Big, he talk. You see, say me, I don't answer them. No, I don't answer them. I just say, okay, then when you see me, your sis, something better than intermediate, you must talk put. Now, me suppose to saga Monica that myself. But I look, I born now. Even the recent video they do so. If from Victor, you go here from Victor, you from Victor now, you go. If from Victor now, saga, all those things. Monica, there's one thing you're supposed to understand. You see me when you see so. I'm right from time before I get married. I'm a man of myself. You see the way that they humiliate you. If Nami marries you for us, Monica will not get problem. Now the truth I tell you. If Nami be your husband, that DNA test where they ask for since how many years now? Paraventure you for those submit and give me. Me, moi, not be them. No be Facebook. If Nami be your husband, a DNA test will be had any many. Don't that one way. If Nami be your husband, all those where they after don't come out now, can't address the public. You understand? After don't address the public, after your husband, if I don't want to bring out the DNA test, after don't address them, everywhere will come. I don't want me to narrate my son, my only son. I don't want me to narrate him. See, because I say my wife they usually make money for media, I don't go agree for anybody because it's my only son. You understand? If na me be your husband, Monica, if na me be your husband, na me go summon Obo go come my family house. He go come tell my family how they sleep with you. Not be the one they talk for media. So if na me be your husband, Monica, they tell you so. If na me be your husband, Obo na me go drag, not be you. I'm not go get issue with you as my wife. Na me go the bolu Obo. That time you come out, you are now my family go ask the question, not be me. Now my family go ask the question. Because they married you. And they married you go give you. Now them people worry say, when I'm going to the wife, I'm going to go your own. Me if be at where I'm going your own. If you want to move your wa, or ala lowe, or ala lowe. You understand? Now my family now bolo you bolo come out. This one not go be social media things. Now, Bo can go use it, man, talk for social media to see what Monica doing, Afro's family doing. You understand? So, I want to we don't pass those one. For simple could analyze your story. And I want to analyze the story with my own. Even after you will tell my title way. Monica, you yourself, you know. Because now, while in your back of this is the person himself talking. I don't want to accuse you. The camera. Then when I'm with a camera, he talking. For how many years still insisting talking? He don't pass. Make a bold rest. But you as a woman, there are ways. If another person is in their body, you know how you carry the matter like Gala. Wa munya hunga we e bien ti ge na ige odegbe no re Napoli. You understand? All of them we yalo yego to ga ya o ya go media just to spoil because I dey fight against adulterous. You understand? No make sense. We should not laugh when I know na lie. Na ya go. Because we are ready from behind doctors. When what is said in me, people will still come and saga you, Monica. And the truth is, people will still come saga you. But you as a woman, you know who you be. If really say you lash Ambo, save Johnny. If you not lash you, if we don't do that, I'm not your family member. I'm not your Bruce family member. Then you move away. What's it cost? You have $2. You be like what? Basta. Now it's all you be. You have $2. I will view as a viewer. You have share the video. If you call it like, where family member? That was not talking about my brother wife. Ya jobo ya gbewe. Ya chokagbe. Ya chokagbe. Kati family. Mo ti ko you won gege ni go yes, the family mo. We family you call it. Ene yen do asike kan you. Ba we take the wa be yewe. Ye go ga we take the we yewe. Wa yewe zo. Eni wa do aro ye gbu ayi. You people are mothers. Wa me mo na wa mo. Of you na gbe ball, you na gbe ball, you na nwuyan, you na nwuna. Of you go not just work, ego is working. Ego say work class woman, work class girl. Ego nwuna. Oti you no gbe ball. Ambrose na J-boy gbe ball. Not baloro. Only we now or whatever. You understand? So, I wish you more. You go mujeli. Again. So you guys should respect yourself. On saga no wan give bologbira. On saga no wan bologbira. I want to so ya we wa gie. I dey watch una video. I watch my go video na my go platform I for who hear Monica. I know even really watch Monica video. I don't even know say Monica even saga my go. Now through my go platform I come say Monica saga my go before. Now na cause the saga yourself again. Now okay. Owo agbina. Owo kan we owo agbina. Before I get that owo agbina e 2 years igbe o kan we na go change e. Owo agbina because iko na bibina ye webu iyan betu he. Ikpakpo yan isi egbe. Na okay, since na two fighting, maybe might go and Monica. When I saga na self. Na saga finish na enter us. But the truth is this, Iyore, there's one thing you should understand. Okay, no, Monica is already a virus woman. No other phone understand in anywhere, other phone Monica understand where this is the job of my wife. If you like, saga Monica with your husband. Monica does not care. The husband does not care. No matter how you insult, you go insult Ambrose, he not the care. As far as the team, his wife will challenge them back. He go bring money for their account. For their account, they go take feed. They don't care. So, you might go where you know, say, wait till your children never see you they do before. You can't do one now. It's a disgrace to your past. Wait till your children never see you they do before. You can't do one now. It's a disgrace to your past, so you have to stop it. What is they trap picking? It's different what is not a trap picking. Monica trained children with saga. You don't train your children with saga. So you're supposed to understand those things and stop it now because of your children. You understand? If you watch anything Monica do is always on live video with the children, everything, you will not be like that. So you better retreat your step back. The person when you follow the do saga. We're not in the same category at all. This is not an insult, it's just the truth. We're not in the same category at all. So retrieve your step back from this saga. Leave Monica. You bring a please say the same Monica don't bring a juju, continue 1 to 3 of juju. Oh yeah, you don't do. One arrest. Obo, may you enter us. Monica, where man, Obo. Your husband, he there there with you. Your husband not go anywhere, not travel. Your husband not talk, say, oh yeah, or Monica, come out. Or both saying la lawyer, nipple. Oh yeah, go, yeah, let's go to Juju, please. You're not talking. So why are you stressing yourself? Why you the panic? Your fans will believe you, go believe you. Who not go still believe you? Who do you swear the whole Juju with the Bini? They not go still believe. That's the truth. The fans will not believe you, or you believe you when never you believe, will never believe, no matter the Juju you swear. So, he's going to be able to give me a young beer when I have vempo. Only the one sat down and put before. When you want to say for me, so remember me a young beer. Tennis young tennis when I have vempo, when I have tearbo. The buffalo now, when I have tearbo. A beer whatever for what is market now, I go there. I go at tearbo. Oh, son, one boy, one mapping, I don't map any mother. Ever ya happy with that Buddha. Don't be loud. See for real, if anybody be like me for this social media, all these natives don't go see one another. They will change. No, I swear to God, all of them will change you. They will go look for work. Don't play. I tell you now, none of them they see anything and no level. They use all those things they do scam. You get some kind of things we see you still reason. This now no level raw. Who are we lock up? Social media matter. No don't turn out to Chiran. Ebo. Ibebe vinya. People barabari. So don't play. Hey, are you boy? Let's make a quickly address this particular issue of Monica Jukon and the rest of other women and Obo enter house lao. They after advice with your daddy. Obo enter house. Don't let them push you. Enogie go push you. You go disgrace you. Enogie go you don't know. You dey happy say they get to share your video. When you never they talk about Monica, Enogie don't share your video. Obo. Omaga video Emi down, pour you down. Use your brain, no. You'll be elderly man. You say me Enogie when you talk about before you do marriage, they come after they sort you. I don't know what you hello. I appreciate you. Yeah, I am trying live video. Oh.
I feel good by my way. Well, I wash.
A book keep it.
Blogger. Well, why have you name in there? You go tire. That's okay. When you may now go chasing in them, not only tell I want to wear bonnet yard, but forget tea, no level. I beg.
Thank you very much.
You go to forget the shop, do not level. I beg blogger. Every nanny is was who another yard blogging it. Where are they? Oh, you are in the nanny, yet.
What? When we watch many, that man is very smart guy. Or when we the only thing he don't do blog, he don't do saga. That guy do saga. I goes through that guy page. They do saga. They share one native daughter. What they do happen medicine. Nobody they view, nobody they watch. You understand? It's not they go viral. You understand? Because in that they believe me. If you call Monica name now, say, okay, if you strike Monica, people go rush come. See the guy don't guess us. About for you. We have Monica. But for you know work. It work now. As you measure Monica, put on Monica body. People rock, no blue. Go watch the video. The video, it blow, it viral. And the guy go carry chest down. Don't spend 1 hour to do live video. Baba, this is a bad guy. Oh my God. So my guy, when I go relax, we are leggings. When I give me down, calm down. Understand? When I let this media calm down, peace this so. You know to leave here because me I leave it in media shower. I know the person where all the focus on Idimorphy. I mean Idimorphy all this media now they mash ourselves back to back. The stolen gold. We are still after the stolen gold. We see the fine gold. Who see the gold? Now we see the fine. Who take my money? Hey. Who take my gold? Now that one want to know. Who tip my gold? Mama Melissa tip my gold. Go so you could tip my gold. No. Or Mouse will tip my gold. No. Who tip my gold? But people, matter day. All you do will be say, I will play. But not with today. The day I will play that audio. And I go here. And I batted the mafia and the wife is okay. Yes. Because video deal with is okay. Do with your manyama husband. I say it's okay. Emilogbe. Video where Emilogbe do with your husband. Where Emilogbe talk and say Mr. Tony Kabaka, Comrade Tony, say he sleep with Mama Melissa. You understand? Or who hey nyanga who ye seka who ye puta. That video, now watch that video. Then I dey come for that video. And I get audio where I will play for that video we do so concerning Tony, Mr. Tony. and Mama Lisa. I go play am. Una go hear am for the social media. He say you say you need 500 euro back from me. How we go do am? I do good. After I don't, he don't beat. He don't see. Don't be saying I'm beans. Don't be saying I'm joke. Believe me or not, Enogie can never see 200 and I can't come and like say take that you. Enough will happen. Enogie if you buy a wallet or the 200, I might weigh 500. Wait, Iyore me, you go and Iyore me 200 now, weigh 500 in your 300. You not get them. You can't reason the exchange rate in Nigeria. I pray they give you. Allah, I will try it. You know you can never try it. When America set, when we are returning, you post now, or you bear. We are post in the I win that money, dash, assassin, dash. Then it divorce me. They don't go. See, fans don't donate the money, Sarah. They donate the money. What is my goldie? Hey, don't play. And then go to my phone. Even the man in my own social media now. And now I watch you in Nigeria. Watch you. What double? I watch you in Nigeria. I'm not good to me. Okay, yeah, I found my woman. I don't know about it. It's a low boy. But and they come those audio. I can't analyze them now. I can't turn away the scam day for inside. Most of the video. Maybe I met me. Where the scam day for inside. I can't explain for now. When I see. Why I go your way? I watch the video. Playing at your bow. The same person. Now if I say when go Nigeria go many to the place, it can their names go. The let's see now, Obioko and Mama Lisa. Say talk about Iyore and Rita. Oh, you just really come. I don't talk and sis now. I don't talk about Iyore and Rita already. I don't fact. No, say I don't even need to talk about Iyore and Rita for real. Because the video where I do, where I take give Iyore advice, where I take warn Iyore about Rita, Frank Enogie, I do that video. I know wetin I dey talk. Now, Iyore gbagbe Rita yemi omo Kokobiri wife aka Rita FB fibrous woman gbagbe Rita o ma gbon Rita ma deve ba o ma roro abi guy Rita o ma gbon Rita o na sike Rita enya sono ha kino mu da gbagbe Rita o ma gbon egbo Rita ne Rita no gbigbi agrizu here at the end of the day ovie do mighty mo you wa iye gon no like wia omo you because wia no ani nye wia we you no kuni nye Rita je no kuno understand it time Iyore it was not hidden and that why Facebook in that time the video is still my wall a Facebook one time now Iyore gbagbe Rita every time no a fancy where every time no view by me every time no view by Rita o ma gbon bono ya Rita ya gbo bono ya Rita ya meni cause a bad egg omo jaun so no unu ya ta thank God Frank you said it na ya yitan ya ti ebonegbe itan ya gbegbe go if I take call a video call, live video, Facebook, they'll call themselves a video call, they go to talk. When artistic children come, now Facebook, when it a day, when they invite Iyore, now they got a day when artistic tell Iyore say children come, and they look, they laugh. When the good was good, when the play was good, they were playing. They were my lady, my lady, oh my lady, she came. One I thought I said, go Azara, it was be one. When we are money. Because the prophecy that you see and you say it, or because of disrespect and lack of knowledge, they will think maybe you are drunk. As a woman one you need to go. Alalu, or mozo. Sending a mozo as well. Mama here. Now, focus on what you are doing. Do you know the best friend you can have? The best friend you can have is your commenters. If you want to have a friend on social media, let your commenters be your friends. As I talk on the couple like, I will say, this man, I say Becky, like Moton. He say, this man, and my friend be that one, we discuss. Out of that one, I feel even call caller. All these my callers, so when they contribute. You make their best friend, you better pass all these Yaman presenters. I swear to God. Callers, you make callers your bestie. You better pass all these Yaman presenters. In my way. I just see the social media, mama. I just see. Or see the social media sister la wo. Iyore or say social media, just they do your thing. Your members, maybe your sister, maybe your friend, maybe your family. Or we young one, you betray them on social media. Your own sister will betray you for social media. Where a serave a vera or vera vigilant. We say that a vera. Not banana latest update. No the raw. Man, just look the family. The same papa, the same mama. Social media. Don't play. Oh, we have social media. I say, your brother is presenter. Me a presenter. Perversions, I blow past you. Jealousy was there. If you they follow, they follow me. Just to make my followers become followers too. You understand? When you don't grow further, now me want to blow. So, I got every answer with a kettle, every aboki with a kettle. Allah salam alaikum. Everybody deal with you sharply. If you get problem, as I've talked before, you maybe if I call Umen when you are here now, what about you? Umen, matter the logo, we burn, and you record me. You never feel I record me. Anything we are talk about, I talk about that video. Ask me for you. When me a year, you see how to agree. The young one we toast you. If I wait, maybe toast on my life, the man where we master. Why if I know Mosua or Kudo of a boy, I walk there, and where I was a are you Larry? Then we had a sort of given up. Well, men when I Murray there. Soloba Muhino Kunoya Wikia. My own work, Ben, what no Wakamu. So not a camera yard go away. My only Agbalabun. Basta. Yeah, walk where I was slow by men the sa stay for life. It can do no ya. Back how dare you? If you hold an ajabu. Now, are you okay? Go to a fire. Or Malakan. Understand? But why we can only man why we can only One could any more or Sally can on need. Single mother, sister, Bika you. Very important. I want to you. Joe, can you be a husband house? Now, only once in a week on the knack. You don't ask your husband what did happen. You got that person with a weapon. And your husband and they together in the morning, your husband they go work. You don't give him one round. Like suspect. Don't be like suspect. Then make sure that your husband you give him to. Anyhow, back or front to toilet to. Go your home, Saloy, brother Saloy. Always be with local zebo to the normal. Yes, you see tired, give him local zebo me drink. Who knows say Rita be not the fuck before? No appreciate okbeleku. Na when you keda fun eri wa we ye can ya go maku eri wa we ye da wa for nobody no know see we no know see a men na fibros oro we we care fibros block we social media fake life bro Fake life is raw. One why wouldn't it clear war? No, why you are here? You are all about to have. Why am I making matter in media? Oh, God. No, what be me and me get here? Oh, no, I go. How I walk beleko, Iyore, how I walk beleko. Beleko, sister, they walk beleko, mother walk beleke. If you believe presenters, you are your own at your own risk. Inside nonsense, there is a sense. Pick the sense inside, make use of it, and leave the nonsense. Very clear. And just the truth that one. Everything that go talk cannot be all of them will be made. None of them will make sense. The sense when you know say the inside will go they use for you. Baba pick am. Literally with nonsense. Don't waste your data. Watch me without picking something from me. You understand? Don't come this life. Come the look. Me that money. Tomorrow you hear this one, you go work, come back, you die. You don't go. What you law? Man, I look here, I say, wow, it can't see no. Oh, you know. So when me no longer be anti again. Hot dog, you don't see no. Wow, hot dog in a kai. You have a hot dog in a kai. They can't wear you are wood. That is that one. My am emotionally. I will not win. I will win. Or who give green water lady. We keke. Sister, you must. And when you bozo the way, and you put it back. Sister, we back. Now, Tamistana, Stacky, Sister Modo. Sister, I for good 3 years. I'm out here. I want a responsible woman. I don't want to distract. I don't want to spoil my name. I'm not responsible for 3 years. I'm out here. Heart attack. Sister, don't go. Sister, I'm out here for 3 years. Start back. Come on, tell me, how can that woman make heaven? You did God bless you, better pussy. Better work, especially those who swear like bones. You don't use a hustle. You don't use a work. You don't say give an art freely to man. You form responsible for his house. All your mate will go club, no they go. All your mate will go party, no they go. You form responsible, they form for his house. You know they trust man, That means you say you're not good. Sister, go out there and have fun. Go enjoy yourself. Nobody good for this life. Including me with it also not good. We not good, so all of us we manage ourselves. No matter where you no matter where. But the form say that you good pass. Nobody good pass. We just manage ourselves. See, based on you will be woman we good, we say responsible. Carry man we not good. You go change them. So you can't good. The same thing still be like me now. We be me now muscle. I was to carry one woman. We say I know say it's still good. You go to try to change me. We be also they can become man. You understand? That's what this life be. You understand? That's what we tell them manage ourselves. That you call manage before you marry. You could manage before you marry. You understand? Very important. Sister, don't be staging. Don't be a woman. When you say you don't marry, finish. Your husband no knock. You know go open your door. Let your door be open. Open up for ground. If the man see her, go jump enter once. Straight. And some of our men we don't know how to use woman play. We don't know how to play with woman. We don't marry woman. You enter house school fees. Who go romance? Who go with love? How many of our men they tell their wife say I love you? You look beautiful, baby girl. Come on, baby girl, turn it for me there. Bad guy. More you go turn your old woman to become Enogie. Because the redness way they give her, because the tune way they give her, the hype way they hype her. They hype your wife. You will go back. You go see hype man, go they hype you. Make a clothes for man, make a clothes for you. Senior man, everything do with you. Or guy, you know if you hype your wife for us. Tell your wife say they clothes for your mama. Give her a chance. Woman will sabi. Woman will everything deal with. See your backside. You be like exhaust. Your backside be like Audi boots. Eziza. Look one of Shegelisho. Ogun bazen woto. Turn around, mama. Tell me whether your woman will smile. You don't go smile. Someone will pass this. Those things they keep depression. Or God, they help your wife. You don't have 2 minutes. You don't have. Give her help of 2 minutes. If you don't have 2 euros, you get put up for your head. she will appreciate. And madam used to appreciate things. Who went to Agbe. Sister, we like a Agbe. We take a easy, no Agbe power. Power, you don't mind me. Yeah, boy, come. Not be lie, man, the truth to see. For real, if our men, they really do these things, you will see, our women don't go to get issue with men, for real. Let's keep joke aside. This thing may be funny, but it's just the truth. At least if you get woman, you must not be seen on your wife. If you still get girlfriend, they help your girlfriend too. You know, be romantic, you understand? It's the show and love. Don't buy money. You understand? If your wife they wash clothes, if you just go meet time, maybe I can wash, maybe I can make washing machine. Those small petty things, they help do one. You go make that woman know say, yeah, you really care. You understand? Not say you'll be like, just the help on the normal level. You will still get now. You know the one I thing. If your woman knows you be that kind of bad guy. You know, if you want to go those no way pants. You know what the way pants. You will follow. You know what you have. If you're banner also give one tap. But you move on sharply. Now still pretend I say you have. That's all life be. That's what you like just be. Nothing sweet past that thing. If you like get billion, you know, cut the money, put on a pot, cook and the chop am. Baba, if you like chop cow, chop all the cow in this world. You know knack, you know enjoy. It's a verse. Alpha. Hey, Alpha, now what's the level now? I don't know. See, I see it's different. Yeah, I have this house. Yeah, I don't come out since I don't. With this is now, you're the more since. Not the more, just this is money. Since morning. Now just this is.